Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. So today is a clean with me. Got some awesome cleaning motivation in here for you guys. Picking up, getting the kitchen clean, getting the living room kind of reset. This is basically everything I could do in 1 hour when both of my kids happened to be napping. I did a 1 hour power hour. So if you need some motivation, this is the video for you. Keep on watching. Today I wanted to start in the playroom. I just wanted to pick up the toys and give this room a good vacuum. I knew that since this was kind of happening in the middle of the day, this power hour, that this room would definitely be messy right after my toddler woke up from his nap, but that's okay. As long as I get it vacuumed, that's totally fine. If the toys are all out, at least I got the vacuuming done and some mopping as well. So I'm just picking up all of the toys, putting them in this organizer, and then I'm going to vacuum the carpet and the hardwood floor area and give it a good quick mop down here as well. And since I was already in picking up the toys mode, I decided to also pick up these toys. My son has a set of toys in the playroom where like 90% of his toys are, and then the other 10% is like a small bit of toys that we keep in the living room with his play kitchen. So it's mostly play food and play pots and pans. And occasionally he just likes to grab his whole basket of play food and throw them down the stairs one by one to watch them bounce. So I'm just going to pick all of those up and also vacuum this area with my little hand vacuum. Again, these toys will probably be down here by the end of the day, right after my son naps, but at least I got them out of the way so that I could vacuum. It's so funny looking at myself do this on camera. It looks kind of weird that I do this whole area with the hand vacuum, but I promise it's so much easier than lugging the big vacuum down the stairs and up and down each step to vacuum the steps. So I just do this little mud catching carpet thing that we have in front of the door and all the steps with this Bissell hand vacuum, which is actually super powerful. So it's a total breeze. I absolutely love this thing. So yeah, this is the easiest way to get the stairs done. So once that is all done, I'm going to move on to the living room, pick up the final little bit of toys that are on the floor in here, kind of get the blankets and pillows all situated on the couch, clear off that table, that coffee table. There's like a million cups on it, plus toys, plus trash, plus the basket full of baby diapers and, pacifiers and stuff like that. Just get everything put away where it belongs, organized for now, wipe off the coffee table, and then move on to deal with the floors in here. Sometimes I do the floors all at once I'm done cleaning, but when I'm limited on time, I kind of focus room by room or section by section. Like the stairs aren't really a room, but they are like just one single section of the house. So I go ahead and pick up everything, wipe down everything I need to wipe down in one single room, and then I'm going to vacuum in here and quick mop as well. Again, during a little power hour, I do not have time to bust out the full mop and bucket. It just takes way too much effort, way too much time. So I'm just going to use my O-Cedar quick mop in here. It gets the job done, and then I can save my floor deep cleaning for a night that I actually have the time to stop and do that. Just in case this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I thought I would take this time while I'm vacuuming and mopping to introduce myself. My name is Lauren. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 sons and 2 doggies and my lovely husband, and I like to do cleaning videos, cooking videos, at-home motivation style videos just because I do this stuff. I enjoy watching these types of videos and I like making videos. I also have a second channel that I'll link down below that's all about like beauty, self-care, makeup, skincare, stuff like that. And I also have an Instagram and a TikTok that will be linked down below as well. I kind of just post whatever I want on TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to see more of like all the types of me, all the little weird things that I do and that I'm into, you can follow me over there as well. So last but certainly not least, once I'm done with the living room, I'm going to spray my Iowa Pine air freshener from Miss Myers. Am I the only one that, when you're done cleaning a room, you have to spray the air freshener or light a candle or something? It's like the finishing touch that just has to be done. You know what I'm saying? So now that that's all done, I'm moving on to the kitchen. Just going to clear off any trash, any random things that needs to go back to their actual home, and off of the counters, all that good stuff, and wipe down the island first. I've been doing this a lot in the kitchen just because it's one section of counter that I know I can clear off in like 3 minutes and wipe it down, and at least that part is clean. So if something happens and I can't get to the rest of my kitchen, then at least that part's clean. You know what I'm saying? If I need some open space, then that part of the counter is clean. So I'm starting with the island, and then we're going to move on to the mountain of dishes. So first, of course, with the dishes, I'm going to empty all the clean ones out of the dishwasher, get those put away in their proper places, and then put on those gloves and start loading the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Basically every single thing I can fit that is dishwasher safe, and then I'm just going to hand wash the stuff that can't go in the dishwasher or can't fit. So there's only a couple things in my house that I even own that are not dishwasher safe, which is basically the really nice knives in our butcher block, and a couple of wood cutting boards that I barely ever use anyway, and a couple of baking dishes. So I have very few things in my house that are not dishwasher safe because I absolutely hate washing dishes. So I'm going to load those up, hand wash a few things, and then we are moving on. If there's one thing I could convince everybody to get, to save for, to upgrade in their house at all, it would be the dishwasher, especially if you're like me and you really like just a clean house, and especially a clean kitchen and an empty sink, and you hate that like dirty dishes smell and you feel like it just fills your whole house with smell. If you're just like a clean freak like me, anything, get a dishwasher, save for it, do what you have to do. It is the best upgrade that you can make to your house because it saves you so much time. All the dishes that me and my family go through in one day, it takes me like 2 hours every day to hand wash. It was crazy when we had a broken dishwasher. Now that we finally got a new one, since it was on back order for like 6 months, now that it's finally here, it takes me maybe 15 minutes to get all of the dishes into the dishwasher, hand wash the few things that I can't put in the dishwasher, and I'm done. It is the best thing ever. If there's any appliance that you want to buy to upgrade your house, I highly recommend a dishwasher, and you can get really good ones starting at like $400 or $500, and I feel like almost anybody could save for that. It might take a while, but honestly, it's taking a while to get them shipped anyway because everything's on back order. So if you just save little by little, it is the best. So now that all of the dishes are taken care of, I'm just going to quickly scrub out the sink with some dish soap and rinse that down with some hot water. Final steps in the kitchen, I'm going to wipe down the counters with the Miss Meyer's Iowa Pine Scented Multi-Surface Cleaner. I did a haul, like a cleaning stuff haul. What am I trying to say? Cleaning haul in one of my last videos for you guys, and I am still using that Iowa Pine stuff. It's not really Christmas anymore. It is January, but it still feels good to use all the pine scented stuff because I live in Wyoming and it is like 10 degrees outside right now and we're having snow, so it still feels very on brand. So I'm going to also light a candle and take out both of the trashes because they're both full, and obviously in a brand spanking new freshly cleaned kitchen you don't want that trash smell to still just be there. So I'm going to take those out, and then I'm going to run really quick to the laundry room to flip the laundry, put stuff in the dryer, and start a new load in the washer. As we all know, laundry is one of those never-ending things. There's always something in the washer or the dryer or both. So I'm just going to flip those really quick and then run back to the kitchen and finish up the floor. So I'm going to vacuum in here. I did the kitchen and the hallway and the dining room kind of all in one go. Some of it's off camera, like the dining room is off camera, but they're all kind of like in the same area. So I just went ahead and did it all together, and that is the floors done. So hopefully this video was super motivating for you guys to do a power hour. And even if you don't have enough time to do a full hour, I say this in a lot of my videos, I think, but you will be surprised what you can get done in 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever amount of time you have. I would just say to pop on one of these cleaning motivation videos, set a timer for 15, 20, 30 minutes, whatever amount of time that you have, and just see what you can get done. Like I said, you will be shocked. I mean, there's times that even I am not feeling very motivated. I'll set the timer for 15 minutes and I'll be so shocked that I can get the whole kitchen cleaned in that 15 minutes. And it's super motivating and feels really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.